You're going to need to know some common carbohydrates. Glucose is a monosaccharide. It is blood sugar. Fructose, another monosaccharide, is found in fruit. Galactose is one of the sugars from lactose. Lactose is a disaccharide found in milk. And when it breaks down upon digestion, you get glucose and galactose. Let's see, another common disaccharide is sucrose. That's table sugar. And the last disaccharide is maltose. You get maltose when starch is being broken down. Sometimes you get these dimers of glucose because starch is a polysaccharide of glucose. When it's broken down, sometimes you get units of 2, and those are sweet. Polysaccharides, we have starch. This is from plants. It's how they store glucose. Glycogen is made of glucose as well, but it's in animals and humans, how we store our glucose. And cellulose is a structural carbohydrate that's not water soluble in plants. Okay, let's go through how each of these will test. Let's see, I need another line here. Okay, in Benedict's, all are positive because they all are either aldehydes or ketones. For disaccharides, most test positive. They can reduce Benedict's reagent, but know the exception that sucrose does not have a reducing group. It tests negative. And then carbohydrates can have a reducing group on the end, but they're so big that most of the units are non-reducing. So they test negative, they're non-reducing. On the iodine test, just remember that iodine is a test for starch. So starch is positive. We're not going to use it for glycogen. It is positive, but it gives a different color, and that's not important to us. Cellulose actually does not react with it. Just know that it's positive for starch. It's a test for starch, so it's negative for these.